Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I am Charanjit here, your computer teacher. Today we are going to start our 11th chapter, that is Google Drive. Google Drive is the free service from the Google. It allows us to store and share files online, and we can use that files anytime from anywhere. It provides 15 GB of the free space, 15 gigabytes. We can store photos, files, documents up to 15 GB free of cost. If we want to store more photos than the 15 GB, then we have to buy the space from the Google Drive. We can store unlimited amount of photos up to 15 GB. And we can also open that photos and edit from any device. Whether we are storing it on our mobile, we can also open it on the computer, because Google Drive is linked with ID. What are the advantages of the Google Drive? First one is easy uploading and storing. Whenever we are using the Google Drive, we can easily upload any file, any photo, drawing, video, anything that we want to upload. We can upload online in easy manner. Second is easy editing of files. Once we have upload the file, then we can also edit it. It provides the editing tools to edit, to make changes in our file. Third one is remote access from any device. It means जो हमने फाइल्स बेटा गूगल ड्राइव पे अपलोड कर दिए हैं उसे हम कहीं से भी देख सकते हैं. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके पास वो डिवाइस होनी चाहिए. जिस मोबाइल से सपोज हमने इस मोबाइल से अपलोड की है, देन नो नीड टू access that file by using this mobile only. We can access that from computer also, from another mobile also, with internet connection. We have to use the internet, then we can access that file. Fourth is easy searching. It provides a way to search the files in easy manner. So we can type a keyword. For that we are just typing a word, then it provides us to search a file in easy manner by typing a keyword. Fifth one is sharing files with your friends. We can also share files that are uploaded on the drive. Yes, so our friends can see it, or we can also manage a single document with the participation of each one in the making modification. Sixth one, open discussion. Students, we can also give the comments and reply to the comments to get feedback, and it can be done by commenting directly on the files. Next advantage is free of cost. Google provides us 15 GB storage space, 15 gigabytes. Storage space is free for us. If we require the more than 15 GB, then we can buy it from the Google Drive. 8 free web-based applications. Google Drive also gives access to the free web-based applications, like we can create a Google document, forms, presentations, spreadsheets online free of cost. As you give the test on Google form, that is the free web-based application provided by the Google Drive. How we can start with the Google Drive? We have to access the Google Drive. So firstly, we have to visit the google.com. Then we have to open the Gmail with email ID and password. After signing in, whenever we are entering the username password, then this window is opened, and this is the Google app launch button. We have to click on this. Then there is icon, Google Drive icon is shown on the list. We have to click on this. So from here Google Drive is accessed. How we can upload a file or folder. After opening the drive, this window is opened, and after clicking on my drive, there are options: upload files, upload folder, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. And from the upload files, after clicking on it, we can upload a file, photo, any other file from our device to the Google Drive. If we want to upload the folder, then we have to click on upload folder. We can also choose a new folder, and inside that the dialog box is open. We have to upload that folder. The folder which is selected by us, that is uploaded online. Whenever we are clicking on upload files or folder, then a dialog box is appeared, and from that dialog box we have to select that particular file that we want to upload and click on open. Then it takes some processing. After the processing, its uploading is completed. Then that file will be appear in the Google Drive folder. Next topic is organizing the files and folders. After the uploading of files, we can also organize or maintain the folders and files that are uploaded on the Google Drive. So first one is how we can create a new folder. So by clicking on the new button that is shown like this, we have to enter the name of the folder here. Then after that, click on OK button. Our folder named computer is created on the Google Drive. Second is moving a file to a folder. How we can move a file into a folder? So we have to click on the file that we want to move, then click on the more actions. This button is more actions button, that is on the top right corner of the web page. Then select the move to option, this. Then again dialog box is appeared. From there we have to select the folder to which we want to move the file, then click on the move button. That particular file is moved to the particular folder. Next is searching a file folder. Searching means if we want to find some files from the Google Drive, then how we can find that file. Finding a file means searching a file. For that there are three methods. First one is search a file by name. So we have to click on the search box, then enter the name of the file that we want to search. According to the name of the file, our file is shown. Second method, to search a file using file type. Here we don't know the name of the file, but we know the type of the file, so that's why we are using second method. Click on the search box. Types, PDFs, text files, spreadsheets are shown. We have to select the type of the file, then according to that type all files are shown below, and from that files we can select our file. Third method is to search a file using search options. Click on the search options button, that is on the right hand of the search box. Then fill the details on the form to be searched that is required. Like this, we have to enter the type any, then owner anyone. We have to enter the detail according to the file that we want to search, then click on search. According to that, results are shown.
That's all, students. I hope you have cleared all the concepts. Thank you so much. Goodbye.